Was 30 feet away from the basket. The baseline official that was standing right there did not blow the whistle. He thought it was just going to be out of bounds.
You get a monkey on your back
She's
again.
done a great job here in Minneapolis.
He checked for it. I have a monkey on my back?
Oh, yeah,
I think it's still back there.
pretty much you call what you see.
I see it. There's a monkey back there.
What? I can feel it.
I think it went in your diaper.
Where'd it go?
Whoa.
Where's the monkey?
Yeah, there it is.
All right.
Trying to put it back. He's trying to put it back.
My elbow doesn't really